Wave Accounting is a free cloud-based software solution that offers basic accounting features. These features typically include invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting. It's a viable option if you need a simple, accessible system for managing your finances. GnuCash is an open-source desktop software. Open source means the software is free to use and distribute, and its source code is publicly available. This software offers comprehensive accounting features, including the ability to track credit card transactions and loans. Because it is desktop-based, it's a good option if you prefer to keep your financial data on your own computer. Zoho Books is a cloud-based software designed for small businesses. It includes features like customizable dashboards and mobile access. The dashboards provide a visual overview of your financial data, and mobile access allows you to manage your finances from anywhere. Cloud-based means the software is hosted on remote servers and accessed through the internet. For an Excel spreadsheet for electrical bookkeeping, there are many templates available online that you can customize. An example is the electrical bookkeeping Excel template available at exceltemplates.com. These templates typically include pre-built formulas and layouts to help you track income, expenses, and other financial data. For estimating worksheets for electrical jobs, there are several options available. Firstly, there is an electrical estimating worksheet, a free Excel template, available at smartsheet.com. Secondly, there is an electrical estimating calculator, an online tool available at electricestimator.net. Thirdly, there is an electrical contractor estimate template, a Google Sheets template, available at template.net. When estimating electrical jobs, remember to consider all costs including materials, labor, and overhead. It is important to be as accurate as possible to ensure profitability. There are additional tips for managing your finances. Firstly, consider using a credit card processor. This will allow you to accept and track credit card payments easily. Credit card processors handle the secure transfer of funds from your customer's credit card to your business bank account. Secondly, set up a separate business bank account. This will help you keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. Keeping your finances separate makes it easier to track income and expenses and simplifies tax preparation. Thirdly, keep good records. Document all income and expenses carefully to avoid any confusion or errors. Good record keeping is essential for accurate financial reporting and tax compliance. Fourthly, back up your data regularly. This will protect your important financial information in case of any hardware failure or data loss. Data backup should be stored in a separate location from your computer to protect against physical damage or theft. Consider using cloud storage or an external hard drive for backups. When choosing accounting software, consider the following factors. Firstly, consider your budget. There are many free and low-cost options available, so you don't need to spend a lot of money to get started. Secondly, consider your needs. What features do you need to manage your finances effectively? Make a list of the features that are important to you before you start shopping. Thirdly, consider your technical skills. Are you comfortable using accounting software? If not, choose a software that is easy to learn and use. Some programs offer training and support to help you get started. When estimating electrical jobs, it's crucial to have a systematic approach. One approach is to break down the job into smaller tasks. Estimate the cost of materials and labor for each task. Add up the cost to get the total estimated cost for the job. Include a markup to cover overhead and profit. Overhead costs include expenses like rent, utilities, and insurance. Profit is the amount of money you want to earn on the job. Be sure to factor in potential risks and uncertainties when estimating. For example, you may need to add a contingency to cover unexpected delays or material price increases. Get multiple quotes from suppliers for materials. This will help you get the best prices and avoid overpaying. When using estimating templates, customize them to fit your specific needs. Add or remove fields as necessary to track the information that is most important to you. Regularly review your bookkeeping and estimating processes. Identify areas where you can improve efficiency and accuracy. Consider automating some of your tasks to save time and reduce errors. For example, you can use online banking to automatically download your bank transactions into your accounting software. You can also use invoicing software to send invoices and track payments automatically. Stay up to date on the latest accounting and estimating software. New programs and features are constantly being developed, so it's important to stay informed about the latest options. Read reviews and compare features to find the best software for your needs. Networking with other electrical contractors can provide valuable insights. Share tips and best practices for bookkeeping and estimating. Learn from their experiences and avoid common mistakes. Consider joining an electrical contractor association. These associations offer resources and support to help you manage your business. They may also offer training and certification programs. Maintaining accurate financial records is critical for tax compliance. Consult with a tax professional to ensure you are following all applicable tax laws. Keep detailed records of all income and expenses. File your tax returns on time to avoid penalties. Regularly review your financial statements. Identify trends and areas where you can improve profitability. Use your financial data to make informed business decisions. Consider using financial ratios to assess your business performance. Financial ratios can help you identify strengths and weaknesses in your business. Examples of financial ratios include profit margin, debt-to-equity ratio, and current ratio. Consult with a financial advisor to get help interpreting your financial statements and ratios.